Why do our teeth turn yellow? Reveals dentist. Hello guys, so today we will talk our teeth turn yellow. So why it's turn yellow? What's the problem and what's the solution? Welcome, my name is Raja Chaudhary and welcome to my YouTube channel. Many people Many people believe white teeth are a sign of good health and cleanliness. However, the color of teeth is not necessarily an indicator of their health and or strength. Light yellow teeth can be just as healthy and strong as purely white ones. Why do teeth become yellow? So the outermost layer of our teeth is called enamel. It is very strong, but it has microscopic pores. When we drink tea, coffee, cold drinks, etc., like sugar drinks, their colors and stains start accumulating in these pores gradually. This is the reason that the color of the teeth starts fading and they start looking yellow or discolored. Six main causes of teeth yellowing. So first, poor oral hygiene. So you woke up morning and your oral hygiene is important. Your brush. Second, smoking and tobacco use. Smoking and mainly India, you can see people's 90% people's 99 no 60 to 70% people's using gutka tobacco. No have a sense, have a pupils. They still eating and smoking. Smoking is a luxury thing. But this gutka tobacco is a poor pupils use. Excessive consumptions of tea, coffee and sugar drinks. Use of antibiotics, and this is the harm your teeth's color. Habit of sleeping with mouth open. If you are sleeping with open your mouth, so this is affect your teeth color. Genetic factors add aside. And there is some genetic factors. So natural structure. So teeth have an outer layer called enamel with microscopic pores that can collect stains over time. Poor oral hygiene. So inadequate brushing and flossing leads to plaque buildup which hardens into tartar and traps stains. Dietary habits. Regular consumption of tea, coffee, wine and sugar drinks can cause staining due to their colors and acids. Lifestyle factors, this is always important. Smoking and tobacco use and gutka, etc., leave yellow brown stains due to nicotine. Natural facts. Age and genetics play a role. Some people naturally have yellower teeth and enamel thins with age. Are yellow teeth healthier than white teeth? So dental, oral and maxillofacial surgeon from Delhi, Dr. Puneet Ahuja, says that by looking at the color of the teeth, it cannot be said whether the teeth healthy or not. The real thing is whether the teeth are strong or not and how much care you take or oral health. No means it's white or black or yellow. The matter is it's strong or not. Not just about teeth. It's about life. It's about you. It's about me. Are yellow? So this is question have a no answer. The real answer is strong. So yellow versus white teeth, the healthier fact. So strength. Yellow teeth with intact enamel can be just as strong as white teeth. Sensitivity. Natural yellow teeth often have less sensitivity compared to artificial whitened teeth. Natural versus artificial. So most people naturally have slightly yellow teeth. Yellow natural. Where you can see some people natural have a little height, natural have a long height, natural have a low weight, natural have a high weight. So there is difference, but main matter is strong. Very white teeth are usually the result of treatments that might damage enamel over time. Maintaining healthy teeth. The color of teeth is not a measure of their health. If your regular brush flows clean, even slightly yellow teeth can be a sign of overall good health. Some people's healthy teeth may naturally have a slightly yellow thing. Dr. Puneet Ahuja. Adopt these healthy habits for dental health. So first, brush properly morning and at night before sleeping and after woke up. Clean teeth and tongue with floss daily. Rinse mouth after eating food. So if you eat something and everything what you want, you eat the after that rinse your mouth. Clean your mouth with water. Stay away from coffee, cold drinks, smoking and tea. And don't chew tobacco or smoke cigarettes and gutkhas. Don't use teeth to open bottle caps. Open bottle caps teeth don't use. Eat foods rich in calcium, phosphorus and vitamins. So this is most important for your physical strength, for your strength of teeth. So we talk about myth and facts. So not just white teeth, cleanliness is also necessary. So myths have a clean teeth means they are healthy. Fact, clean teeth means they are healthy. So not clean teeth means healthy. So myth, clean teeth means they are healthy. Clean teeth means they are healthy. Polishing means whitening. No, polishing means remove stains but does not white teeth. Polishing means it's good. It's a healthy. Whitening toothpaste keeps teeth. So fact is frequent use of whitening products can increase sensitivity. Brush harder for better cleaning. Hard brushing damage gums and enamels, so don't use hard. Use a brush who can clean your teeth, just clean and not for white. Only polish visible teeth, not back teeth. So cleaning between all teeth is necessary, not just visible. Not for just showing someone. Once damaged teeth can't be saved. Timely treatment can save damaged teeth. So thank you so much watching my video. We will talk next video. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.